Hello and happy CSP Day. I'm Jen Myers, a professor in our College of Kinesiology, and I'm here today with my friend Bones. Say hi, Bones. He's a little shy, but we're here to ask today for your support for our kinesiology KARE kits. Each one of our students in our programs purchases a kit that comes with a stethoscope, a blood pressure cuff, and some other tools of the trade. This kit can serve them well, however, sometimes it can also be a barrier or a burden for them to use their own funds for these fitness tools. We would love your support today in sending each of our students a kinesiology KARE kit, CSP branded. That way, no matter where their fitness journey takes them, they are able to take CSP with them as a professional, and we might find ourselves all over the world, right, Bones? Thanks for your consideration. $50 will buy a kit for one student, and they will have all the tools of the trade that they need to really start their fitness career on the right foot. Have a great day, everybody. All right, Bones, let's get pedaling.